Your body is doing things right now that sound completely made up, and today we are going through 8 of the strangest ones. Get ready, because after this you will never look at yourself the same way again. First, you are glowing. Literally. Every cell in your body produces tiny amounts of visible light as a byproduct of metabolism, a phenomenon called ultraweak photon emission. It is about 1,000 times too dim for our eyes to catch, but scientists using extremely sensitive cameras have photographed people faintly glowing in the dark, brightest around the face. Next, your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve a razor blade. Hydrochloric acid in your gut sits around pH 1 or 2, acidic enough to eat through metal over time. The only reason it does not eat through you is that your stomach lining rebuilds itself with a fresh layer of cells every 3 to 5 days. Here is a wild one: your heart does not actually need your brain to beat. It has its own electrical system, a cluster of cells called the sinoatrial node that generates rhythmic impulses all on its own. That is why a heart can keep beating for a short time even after being removed from the body, as long as it has oxygen. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. A cubic inch of bone can withstand roughly 19,000 pounds of pressure, and bone is about 3 times lighter than steel of the same strength. That incredible strength-to-weight ratio is why engineers actually study bone structure when designing lightweight building materials. Your tongue has its own unique print, just like your fingertips. The pattern of bumps, ridges, and taste buds on your tongue is different for every single person, even identical twins, and researchers have proposed tongue prints as a biometric security method because unlike fingers, tongues are hard to fake or damage. Your gut is sometimes called a second brain, and for good reason. It contains over 500 million neurons connected to your actual brain through the vagus nerve, and it produces about 95% of your body's serotonin, the chemical linked to mood. That gut feeling you get before a big decision is not just a figure of speech. Under laboratory conditions, the human eye can detect a single photon of light. In a 2016 study, researchers fired individual photons at test subjects in a completely dark room, and participants correctly sensed the photon far more often than random chance would allow, meaning your eyes are sensitive to the smallest possible unit of light. And finally, over the course of an average lifetime, your salivary glands will produce enough saliva to fill about 2 full swimming pools. You make roughly 1.5 liters of it every single day just to keep your mouth working properly. Your body really is stranger and more capable than most people ever realize. If any of these blew your mind, give this video a like, subscribe for more mind-bending facts, and I will see you in the next one. Scientists are still discovering new things about human biology every year, which means there are countless more facts like these waiting to be uncovered, so stick around because this channel covers something new and surprising in every single video we post.